This is the sickest setup you can run without upgrading the turbos on a 992 2.1. We're running absolutely everything. Manifolds, downpipes, cat-back exhaust, air intakes from Do 88, exhaust by GExhaust, downpipes by GExhaust, stage 2 tune. This thing's gonna absolutely rip. This is one of the first air intakes on a 992 2.1. It's a carbon fiber Do 88. We're also upgrading the plenum to get more airflow, match airflow with the air intake, and upgrading some other stuff. So stay tuned. We're building this fucking Porsche from the ground up, trying to make the max horsepower without doing any fuel upgrades or turbo upgrades. That's next, but as of right now, customer wants to stop right there. Should be making around 850, 900 horsepower, easy. Honestly, one of the sickest specs 911 you can get. It's not just a regular 911, this is a 911 Turbo S. Probably the ultimate Porsche, if you ask my opinion. This is the best drivability, the best power. It's not a GT3 RS, but this is for a daily driver. It's for the businessman that wants to go fast, doesn't want to go to the track, but wants to smoke everything else on the fucking road. So all red interior, red steering wheel, red doors, red guts throughout the whole car, and got this chalk gray paint job with the black trim everywhere. This thing looks fucking amazing, man. Double wing on the back, got the adjustable and blacked out Turbo S logos, blacked out exhaust tips, blacked out wheels, got the sick ass bar light across the whole car. Honestly, the perfect Porsche. Turbo S 911 2022 992.1. This thing's gonna make wicked power. It already makes about 700 horsepower from factory. We're gonna bump that shit to the max. Like I said, we're getting aftermarket exhaust by GExhaust. We're getting downpipes by GExhaust. We got headers by Fab Speed, turbo manifolds to be exact. We got a plenum by Do 88, air intake by Do 88. This thing's gonna be fucking insane, bro. And honestly, can't wait to hear what this thing's gonna sound like, because this is one of the sickest builds we've ever done. Besides the GT3 coming up, this Turbo S is gonna be insane. Stay tuned. We got the full build on the table. Comes with a CSF intercooler. Comes with Do 88 carbon fiber air intakes, a Do 88 plenum, get more airflow, a GExhaust catback, GExhaust downpipes, Fab Speed headers, turbo manifolds to make the most flow possible. Now this kit is combined and syncs everything together with a stage 2 tune to really build a Turbo S from scratch. This is what you gotta do. You gotta cool it down, feed it more airflow, relieve some of the pressure on the exhaust, and then you tune it. This thing should make wicked power. This is everything besides a turbo upgrade and fuel upgrade. Those are next, but as of right now, this is what we're doing. This is the max setup you can run on a Turbo S without doing turbo upgrades and a fuel upgrade. So intercooler there to keep everything cold. Intakes to maximize airflow. Intake plenum to really maximize the airflow out of the intake manifold. The stock one is complete bullshit. It's all plastic. And then finish it off with a GExhaust catback. You can tell it's a GExhaust catback because that G right there does have a serial number right there. And it's valve control, so the customer can control the valves. Now we also slapped on there a set of Fab Speed turbo manifolds, because the stock manifolds on these cars are shitty as hell. Super restrictive. Now most people don't really upgrade these, but we're upgrading them because we're trying to get max flow out of the exhaust and relieve as much pressure as possible. So this is the build right here. The only thing that's missing is the ECU. Once we pull that out, we'll put that on the table, show you what everything looks like, and this is it. This is how you build a Turbo S. that was it, man. A day of fucking 911 Porsches. That Turbo S was awesome. One of the sickest builds we've ever built. And I mean, come on, you got a Turbo S, you put that kind of money into it, you want to see the outcome. You saw that thing ripping down the street, all-wheel drive, 800 horsepower to the wheels. The thing was a rocket ship. When we test drove it, breaking next speeds, man. It was super, super fun. We got this GT3 up next. ECU's on the way back. We got that other 911 we just did a cap back on. Sounded amazing. I thought it sounded better than the one with the downpipes on there and the stock exhaust. So, and then the other 911 with the downpipes was all right, but it could use a GExhaust cap back. Can we all agree? You know, so if you're looking for a cap back, downpipes, a tune, you want to upgrade your Porsche, you want to build your Porsche, that's what we specialize in. Stay tuned for our new massive warehouse. We're about to build a massive shop. Stay tuned for that. It's going to be sick. We're going to be a Porsche specialist exhaust shop. So anyways, GT3, 911s, Turbo S's, just call G.